Welcome to WordPress. If you're looking at a similar screen on your PC, it's because you downloaded WordPress and tried to run it using localhost. You have already installed local servers such as XAMPP or WAMP on your PC and placed WordPress files in local server. But you're not done yet. You're few steps away from successfully using WordPress on your PC. Besides running local server and copying WordPress files, you also need to install WordPress on localhost. So how to install WordPress on localhost? In this video, we will look into that. But before that, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Okay, first things first. WordPress is a PHP-based open source content management system. To run any PHP-based system, you need to download and install a local server software like XAMPP, WAMP, or MAMP. This is XAMPP that comes with Apache, MariaDB, and PHP and Perl. This is WAMP server. It comes with Apache, PHP, and MySQL. And this is MAMP. Download and install one of these. After that, run it. I have XAMPP, so I started XAMPP. After you start XAMPP, you need to start its services such as Apache and MySQL. Click Start in front of Apache and click Start button in front of MySQL. Close XAMPP. After that, go to wordpress.org/download. Download the latest version of WordPress. Extract the downloaded WordPress zip file into appropriate web server directory. In case you are using XAMPP, browse location where XAMPP is installed. From XAMPP folder, open htdocs folder. Here you can place WordPress files. The htdocs is the root directory for localhost. In htdocs folder, it is better to create a folder with your website name and extract WordPress files in it because you probably will install more WordPress-based sites in htdocs folder. So it is better to use separate folders for each website, like I have done. In htxs folder, I have created projects folder, then folder named WSP-10. This is website folder. I extracted the zip folder that I downloaded from wordpress.org here in this folder. In case of WAMP, browse to WAMP folder, open www directory and place WordPress files in it. MAMP will create folder named as MAMP and then htdocs folder in it. So in case of WAMP, place WordPress files in www directory, and in case of MAMP or XAMPP, place WordPress files in htdocs folder, but create separate folder for each website. Okay, now open this location in web browser. http://localhost/your website name. In my case, it is http://localhost/projects/WSP10. In case of MAMP, it will be like http://localhost:8888/your website name. WordPress setup wizard will run. You are here. To use WordPress, you need to do a few more things. Select language and click continue. Click let's go. Here you have to enter your database connection details. WordPress stores its data in database, so it needs a database connection. Every web server comes with a database. So create a new MySQL database for your WordPress installation. To do that, in your browser, go to http://localhost/phpMyAdmin. Click on databases, create a new database, name it something like sitename_db and click create. In my case, I will use WSP-10. Copy this database name, click create, and database has been created. Now enter the database information. Database name is the name of the database we just created. In my case, this one. Username will be root. For password, leave this field empty for XAMPP and WAMP, but in case of MAMP, use root. I have XAMPP, I will leave it empty. Database host will be localhost. You can change table prefix, but it's not necessary. Click Submit. Click Run the installation. Fill out the WordPress installation form, site title, username. Pick strong username and password. This is for demo purpose, so I will use simple one that I can remember easily. Type email address. Choose whether to allow search engines to index your site, and then click Install WordPress. Once the installation is complete, click on Login and enter your username and password for WordPress. WordPress has been successfully installed on your localhost, and you can start building and testing your website. When you are ready to make your website live, you will need to migrate it to a live server to share it with the world. So if you were stuck at WordPress installation screen, these steps can help you install WordPress on localhost and use it in your PC. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.